Relationship-related phrases and meaning. Relationship-related phrases and meaning. To engage, to agree to marry. To divorce, to end a marriage. To break off, to end something. To trust, to believe in someone. To rely on, to depend on someone. To cheat on, to betray a partner. To support, to help or encourage. To live together, to share a home. To apologize, to say you're sorry. To offer advice, to give guidance. To care for, to look after someone. To stay committed, to remain loyal. To express love, to show affection. To fall out, to stop being friends. To let go of, to stop holding on to. To be there for, to support someone. To propose, to ask someone to marry. To grow apart, to become less close. To compliment, to say something nice. To bond, to become close emotionally. To blame, to say someone is at fault. To marry, to become husband and wife. To lean on, to depend on for support. To be loyal, to stay true to someone. To argue with, to have a disagreement. To encourage, to give hope or support. To reconcile, to make up after a fight. To gossip, to talk about others' lives. To build intimacy, to create closeness. To stay in touch, to keep communicating. To cut ties with, to end a relationship. To show kindness, to be nice to someone. To reconnect with, to get back in touch. To comfort, to make someone feel better. To get close to become good friends. To be a role model, to set a good example. To get engaged, to agree to marry someone. To forgive, to stop being angry at someone. To make up with, to resolve a disagreement. To be separated, to live apart as a couple. To get married, to become husband and wife. To renew vows, to repeat marriage promises. To care about, to have feelings for someone. To raise a family, to take care of children. To raise, to take care of and teach a child. To make memories, to create special moments. To settle an argument, to end a disagreement. To make compromises, to find a middle ground. To adopt, to take a child or pet as your own. To date, to go out with someone romantically. To find common ground, to agree on something. To move forward, to continue after difficulty. To move in with, to start living with someone. To move on from, to stop focusing on the past. To offer comfort, to make someone feel better. To support a family, to provide for loved ones. To fall out of love, to lose romantic feelings. To trust each other, to believe in one another. To work things out, to solve problems together. To get along with, to have a good relationship. To care deeply, to love or value someone a lot. To nurture a bond, to strengthen a relationship. To show respect. To treat someone kindly and fairly. To make sacrifices. To give up something for others. To celebrate together. To enjoy an event as a group. To practice patience. To stay calm and understanding. To have a strong bond. To feel very close to someone. To work through challenges. To solve problems together. To celebrate an anniversary. To remember a special date. To fall in love. To develop strong feelings for someone. To file for divorce. To start ending a marriage legally. To maintain a relationship. To keep a connection healthy. To enjoy each other's company. To have fun being together. To announce an engagement. To tell others about plans to marry.